I had been dealing with thinning hair since menopause probably kicked in, and that was in my 30s. And it didn't really bother me so much until people were making comments about, boy, your hair's getting thin, and to me it was like a kick in the face. It's like, oh my gosh, can they see it? If I can see it, I know if they can see it, something's got to be done. My self-esteem was just totally hit the floor every time I would look in the mirror. I would get into the sunlight. Somebody would shine a light. I would be under some kind of a fluorescent light, and I could tell that they were looking through my scalp and seeing that there was balding. And I thought, I'm going to take the plunge and I'm going to do something. So I made the appointment with Leslie, and that was my first step to feeling amazing. She ran me through the options and told me what was available, and I knew exactly what I wanted, the CNC. I wanted to have that full head of hair. I wanted to wake up in the morning and know that I had options. I could ponytail it, I could pull it back, I could look at myself in the mirror and not be embarrassed. They give you your hairstylist who is right there listening to everything that you have to say. If you want to change from a perm to straight hair to bangs to long hair to whatever it is, that they're right there listening. And that's what I want in a hairstylist. I feel like I did 20 years ago, 30 years ago, where it was like that teenage years where you had all this hair and you just didn't know what to do with it, and you could just comb it and, you could just be somebody with a good head of hair. But I would definitely, absolutely, positively recommend anybody who's dealing with hair thinning, from whether it be menopause or medication or whatever your situation may be, definitely give them a call. Come in for the interview, talk to Leslie, let her go over your options with you. It would be definitely worth your while.